I was in Rockford, Illinois in March of 2026 to look at this abandoned factory. This was the Rockford Watch Company, and it was in business from 1873 to 1915. It was a prominent Illinois manufacturer known for high-quality collectible pocket watches, especially popular with railroad workers. The factory produced nearly 1 million watches before closing due to financial struggles and reorganization. In 1873 to 1874, the company was organized by local businessmen with $150,000 in capital. In 1876, the first watch was released to the market on May 1st. During the 1880s, the company experienced rapid growth, reaching a production rate of 150 watches per day and employing 350 people by 1888. In 1896, the company went bankrupt from intense competition during an economic downturn. In 1901, the company reorganized as the Rockford Watch Company, becoming a subsidiary of the Illinois Watch Case Company. The company continued to struggle, and in 1915, the factory permanently closed. Today, Rockford watches are highly sought after by collectors. In late 2025, the city of Rockford approved a $13 million redevelopment project to convert the historic structure into an apartment building with at least 23 units while preserving its architectural character. Government projects have a way of going sideways, so we'll see what eventually happens, but as of today, the building still stands and retains much of its charm from the past.